Hi y'all, welcome back to Style Santa Fe. I'm Cheryl Bruedigam. Today I want to talk a little bit about bringing some pinks into that Santa Fe style, that Southwest look. I mean, is that possible? Can it even happen? Pink in the Southwest? Yes, the answer is yes, because if you look around the desert, you're going to see pink in so many forms, in the sunsets, in the hues of the mountains, when the sun's hitting them just right, in desert flowers. There are so many pinks in the Southwest. So yes, we can bring in pink. And first I want to talk a little bit about this pink blouse. What I did was to get a Southwest kind of Santa Fe style with this blouse is it was just an average shirt, and it had short sleeves, and it was cute, but it really didn't have that Southwest look that I was looking for. But I saw potential because of the little brass buttons, as you can see. I'll try to zoom in, but it has the little brad looking buttons like you find on blue jeans. So that kind of cued me off that this blouse had potential. So what I did is I cut out the sleeves. I do not hem them. I just give them, leave that ragged look, because I think, in my opinion, to get that Southwest look, we kind of want just a hint of edginess, a hint of ruggedness, and this gives the perfect opportunity to combine a little rugged look with the jean type buttons and the ragged sleeve, with the pink and the feminine. And I did the same thing in these jewelry designs. They are from my shop, from Designs by Cheryl B. We got the rugged stones of the Southwest, with Southwest looks. This is an agate and a geode and a druzy. So combining those with more of a Victorian bead, which you will also find Victorian fashions in the Southwest, because so many women came out here early on with their husbands who were miners and businessmen and railroad men. So those influences really lingered, really lingered and influenced our Santa Fe style. So the answer is yes to pink. You can find beautiful natural pink stones in desert hues, and you can pick up all kinds of simple tops that you can turn in or repurpose into a Southwest look. And this is one easy way to get that. So thanks for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Please comment and like and share my videos, and while you're here, subscribe to my channel. So I'll see y'all next time.